Hey friends, Tracy here with Life from the Clearance Aisle. Today we're doing a little DIY Easter basket. You need a pool noodle and a laundry basket from Dollar Tree. Here you see me, I ripped my pool noodle in two. So I take it and I am going to duct tape it back together. As you see, I'm having a rough time. This is actually Gorilla Tape and it's very strong. It takes me a minute to get it going. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. And here I am, I'm just gonna see about how I'm gonna get the handles attached to the basket. There are several different ways to do it. You can do it any way you want. I try to use some floral wire and try to see how I'm gonna attach it to my basket. I'm not patient, as you can tell, so I'm always in a hurry, and if you slow down, it goes a lot easier. And so I figure out what I'm going to do here, and so now I'm gonna take it back apart. And I'm going to start to decorate my basket and try to make it look like an Easter basket. So right now I'm going to take some nautical rope and I'm going to hot glue it onto my basket. And you can decorate the basket with anything of your choosing. I use nautical rope and ribbon, and choose whatever your color scheme is. I wanted my color scheme to be pink and black. And neutral color, so that's what I did. And here I am just gluing it onto the basket. As you can see, I got little finger protectors on because I am always burning myself with the hot glue. And here I am decorating my handle with my Dollar Tree burlap ribbon that they have. My glue gun was so hot it was actually melting the pool noodle, but I don't have my glue gun doesn't, you can't lower the temperature, it's just 1 temp. And then I am going to add some nautical rope to the very top of the handle to cover up the duct tape where I had to duct tape the two pieces together. It takes me a minute to get it going here. Y'all, I apologize about my garage. Every time I clean it out, for some reason it gets right back to the way it is. But we do have our jet ski in there. So just still using more nautical rope. I'm gonna go as far and cover up that the black part so you can't see it. I'm just wrapping and then gluing a little bit and then wrapping and then gluing a little bit. I got this idea from Bargain Bethany, and I've seen other people on YouTube do it. But Bargain Bethany is an awesome crafter. If you are not subscribed to her YouTube, you need to go over there and subscribe, especially if you're a crafter. And then here I am just, again, trying to figure out how I'm going to attach my handles to my basket. I thought I was going to do it one way using the floral wire, but here I am going to use more nautical rope to attach it. And again, guys, I'm not a professional. I'm very impatient, and it would go a lot smoother again if I would have patience. But I'm just trying to figure out and get my nautical rope through there, and then I'm going to tie it and use some glue, hot glue, and get it attached. Had to take off my finger protectors to get a good grip and get it attached good. Ooh, it was such a nice day outside. Just wanted to be outside enjoying some sunshine. We had been having a lot of rain. And there I have it attached. And then I am actually just going to do the same thing with the other side and get it attached. There's nothing a little hot glue or a lot of hot glue can't fix. And here I am, there it was attached. So now we're just gonna we're gonna put some stuff in it and make it look like an actual Easter basket. You see the smoke coming off my heat gun right there? Or off my glue gun, not my heat gun. Oh, look at it, it's so cute. Here I am just trying to make sure my handles are attached real good. There we go, look how awesome that looks. Little peep I bought from the Dollar Tree Plus aisle for $3. And I'm gonna try to make me a bow here. And bows are something that I'm absolutely not good at. So definitely don't use my bow making skills to follow by. My colors for Easter, if I have not told you, is like black and pink, and so I used Dollar Tree ribbon. And all right, friends, here it is in all its glory. I added some stuffing to it. Thought I was okay with it, and in a couple of days I came back and added some. And here I am, guys. I've taken more decoration and I'm adding some ribbon to my basket. I'm just weaving it in the next part. You're going to see where I added between the nautical rope that ribbon to it had already put on there. I do use a little hot glue once I get the ends to meet and to secure it to the actual basket. And here it is again. I like it much better.